In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your HubSpot Hub ID, also known as your portal ID. This is a quick and useful task to know how to do, especially if you ever need to connect tools, work with integrations, or provide account details for setup and support. Your Hub ID is a unique number assigned to your HubSpot account, and once you know where to look, it's very easy to find. To begin, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed in to your active HubSpot account workspace. It's important that you're in the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Take a moment to confirm that the dashboard you're viewing is the one you want to use. Once you're inside HubSpot, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This area contains several interface controls and account-related options. You'll want to look carefully here because the information you need is accessed through your account menu. In that top right section, find your profile image if one is displayed, or the company account name area if that appears instead. Next to it, you should see the drop-down marker that opens your account options. Click on that section to reveal the menu. When the drop-down list appears, look just below your company name. Under that title, you'll see a unique number made up of 7 or 8 digits. This is the number you're looking for. In HubSpot, this number represents your account's Hub ID, which is also commonly called the Portal ID. Take a second to read the number carefully so you can confirm you found it correctly. Since it appears directly beneath the company name, it should be easy to identify once the drop-down is open. After that, copy the number sequence. You can highlight it and copy it, or simply write it down somewhere secure if needed. This value is your unique HubSpot account identifier, and you may need it later when working with account settings, integrations, migrations, or support-related requests. And that's it. Once you know where this number lives, finding it only takes a few seconds. Just sign in to HubSpot in Chrome, open the account drop-down in the top right corner, look beneath the company name, and copy the 7 to 8 digit number shown there. That's your Hub ID.